In this video we will set up Git in the system. We'll see how to install Git, and how to set user configurations for Git globally in the system. We will be following the tutorial in Ubuntu OS throughout the series. If you are having a different OS, this installation step may be different for you. Open a terminal and find if Git is already installed in the system by using this command, git version. If it is already installed, then this will show the version of the Git in your system. If it is not installed, then it will show command not found. Nowadays Ubuntu often comes with Git pre-installed. Let's install Git. Search install Git in browser and navigate to this page. Let's install Git for Ubuntu. Copy this command and paste in the terminal along with sudo for avoiding permission issues. Once the installation is complete, you can check Git version to get the Git version installed. If you are using a different OS, then you can find the installation methods in the same page. You can hit the Git command to see all the available subcommands and other options. Now let's update the Git configurations with the user details, so that Git can track the changes and map it under this user. First, we are updating the username. Here we are giving the global flag for applying this configuration system-wide. Specify your name here. I am keeping it as KBA. Next, let's update the email for the user. Give your email here. Similarly, there are many other configurations. You can check those by using the git config command. You can list the current configurations by using the list flag. Also, you can get these configurations individually. Now onwards, all the changes tracked by Git will be mapped under this user. So in the future, if you want to change the user details, you can do so by using same commands. Now basic Git setup is over. There are few other things also, which we will see along the series. We will continue the rest in the next video. Thank you.